Hey guys, this is Smita and welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'll be dedicating it to my mother and to all mothers out there. So happy Mother's Day. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do subscribe. It's just a click away. And please do share with your friends and family. Today I'll be cooking another healthy recipe with you all, and that is spinach tofu curry. This recipe is really simple and quick, and here are the ingredients that I'm using. 1 tomato, 1 onion, ginger, garlic, green chili, 2 I'm using, 1 cube of tofu whole, and then spinach. It's almost around half lb. And then here is mustard and cumin seeds, salt to taste, and then turmeric. This is the organic tofu that I'm using, and I just drained all the water from it. And I'll see if there's some excess moisture in it. I'll just try to, press it gently so that you can take off that extra moisture. It looks nice and dry. Now let me cut into pieces. First, let's make it a half, and then this way, the same process. Cubes or rectangular shape, whichever you like. Some of them I want to make it like really thin slices. Take a container and add some water and allow it to boil for some time. Now to the boiling water add all the spinach to it and let it cook for some time, maybe like a minute or so. While our spinach cooks, let's turn on the flame on the other side and place the pan to heat to fry the tofu. Once the pan is heat, add a scoop of butter to the pan, allow it to melt, and then place all the chopped tofu pieces onto the pan and fry them for around 2 minutes. Flip them or toss them evenly. Do not over fry, as we want to maintain the softness of the tofu. And that's it. The cooked tofu is now ready. On the other hand, the spinach is cooked, and let's turn off the flame. And now transfer the fried tofu to a separate plate or a bowl. And now it's time to make the spinach gravy mixture. So the cooked spinach should be first drained and rinsed. And now take a blender and then add the cooked spinach into it. Add ginger 1 inch. And if you want to add more, you can add some more. Also add around 4 garlic cloves. And now finally add 2 green chilies and then blend until fine paste. Heat the same pan and add butter to it. You can also substitute it with any oil if you don't like butter. And once the butter melts, add half tablespoon each of cumin and mustard seeds and allow them to pop. Now add onions and mix them well. To it, add a pinch of salt to it and stir fry until onions slightly change the color. Now add 1 chopped tomato and stir fry. And if you like to add more, you can always add more tomato or any veggies. I usually do not follow hard rules with veggies when it comes to quantity at times. Stir fry again, do not overcook. And now it's time to add the spinach gravy mixture to the pan, and this is the part I love the most while making. And there is some remaining in the blender, so add some water, around half a cup. Shake well and then pour it to the pan. Now mix it well and let it cook for about a minute or so. And as it cooks, you tend to get the aroma of that cooked ginger garlic. Wow, it's just so amazing and I just love it. And now add salt to taste and then turmeric around half or 1 tablespoon. Mix it well. Wow, look at that color green. I just love this too. Comment below if you guys feel the same. And now finally place all those fried tofu into the mixture and then mix it well and then just turn off the flame. Now transfer to a serving bowl, and then it goes really well with roti, chapati, naan, rice, millet, or even quinoa. If you guys have liked my today's video, please do like, share and comment, and do not forget to click the bell button so that you get notifications. Thank you. It looks Hey guys, this is Smita and welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll be...
Can we say together?
Yeah.
Thank you. Have down below. Have to click on the red subscribe, and you have to just click on the bell button. See you next time.
Bye. Bye, Isha.
See bye. Bye bye.
From one happy mommy to all the mommies in the world, happy Mother's Day again. I really had fun making this video. Hope you guys like it. Thanks for watching. Bye. See you next time.